Hello?
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Um, okay, can you see me now?
Yeah. Hello there. Can you hear
Oops.
me? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let me introduce first myself to you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. That's great. Okay. So by the way, yeah, it's evening. All right. So good evening. So my name is Jennifer, or you can call me Teacher Jenny or Teacher Jennifer. All right. So I am 33 years old and I am from the beautiful island, the Philippines. All
Nice to
right.
meet you, Teacher
Yes.
Jennifer.
Thank you so much. And yeah, I've been teaching English for almost 3 years now. So I teach Vietnamese, Japanese, Koreans, Chinese, adults like you, and kids. So I really love to share my skills. All right. Especially in talking English. So that is really what I love to do. I really wanted to help my students to enhance, all right, to enhance their communication skill, especially in English. All right. So, and I hope that yeah, you will gonna enroll in my class and I will gonna give my best to teach you all the best and I can. All right. So nice meeting
You.
you. All right, now your turn. Can you introduce yourself to teacher?
Um, okay, my name is Khoa.
Qua.
My full name is Võ Minh Khoa.
Ah, okay. What, excuse me.
Yeah.
What do you want me to call you? Is it Vo or Qua?
You can call me Khoa.
Qua. Okay. Wow. What a
Okay.
nice name. Okay, Qua.
Yeah. This year's 23 years old,
Oh,
and
23. Cool.
yes, I'm just graduated from university,
Wow.
and yeah,
What did you took
and
up? What course did you took up? Education or business?
pharmacy.
Pharmacy. Oh,
It
wow.
takes 5 years. It
Oh,
takes 5 years to graduate
you.
from pharmacy in Vietnam.
Mm, okay. So,
Yeah,
and you just graduated this year, Kwa?
yeah, yes.
Oh, really?
From July.
Ah, so you and then you are now working or not yet?
Yes,
You're
I'm
still.
not working.
Ooh, good job. So where do you work now?
Uh, Luckily, I have a chance, and I got a job in a pharmaceutical company.
I'm sorry, what was
Yeah,
that, Kwa? In a
a
pharmacy.
pharmaceutical company.
Wow.
Yes, and my positions is a marketer.
Mm, okay. So you're really into um somehow on business. Like you will have, how do we a sales stock, right?
Yeah,
Yes, with your
sales,
yes,
sales
more,
task.
yeah, more or
This is
less.
more about business. Yes,
Exactly. So you will
yeah.
gonna like entertaining customers or even clients, right? Kwa?
To
Mm.
marketing the medicines.
Ah, okay. So basically your clients is like Vietnamese or you can also have a client from the other country.
Almost as Vietnamese, but
Ah,
my boss
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
Japanese, and we communicate in English.
Ah, your boss. Oh, okay, that's
Yeah,
great. Okay, so it's really nice to hear because you just graduated and then you find a job like in a couple of months. So it's good to hear. just
Uh,
simply, yeah, because as we all know, it's like um after graduating, it's really difficult to look for a job, right? That's
mhm.
yeah, to tell you like, and then you're so
I really
blessed.
appreciate this.
Yeah. And it is your first job, right?
Yeah, this is my first job.
Mm, okay, so that's good to hear. Okay,
Yeah.
so by the way, you are from Vietnam, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
and you are born and raised in Vietnam. So you are purely Vietnamese.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. So, which city are you in Vietnam? Are you in Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh, Vũng
Uh,
Tàu, Can Tho?
you know, do you know Cần Thơ?
I'm not familiar with that.
Cần
uh,
Thơ City
what's is it near in Ho Chi Minh?
is located in the south.
South part. Oh,
Yeah, the south part. As
mm,
is about 100 kilometer from Ho Chi Minh City.
okay. But
It's in the
you
Mekong Delta.
I mean, you study in Ho Chi Minh or not in which university did you study?
I study in Cần Thơ.
In Can Tho. All right.
Yes. But next month I will move to Ho Chi Minh City for work.
Oh, really? So your
Yeah,
office is
my
in Ho
office.
Chi.
Yeah, my office is
Mm.
now is in Cần Thơ, but we move to Ho Chi Minh next month.
Wow. Why are you okay? If you don't mind me asking, why are you going? I mean, your company will gonna transfer in Ho Chi Minh because
There are more chance and opportunity in a big city like Ho Chi Minh City.
oh yeah, that's also I
Yeah,
hear with other. Actually, I have also other student who lives in Ho Chi Minh, and then they really talk about it, and then they will gonna say that, oh teacher, Ho Chi Minh has a lot of opportunities, especially that you will gonna look for a job because Ho Chi Minh is like there's a lot of foreigners, or yeah, job opportunities that is really if you really wanted to work with. Okay, but your parents
and
where does your parents live? Po?
what?
Where does your parents live? Are you still living in your parents now? Your mom and dad?
My parents live at
Province?
my hometown.
Ah.
Yeah, so I will when I move to Ho Chi Minh City, I won't live with them.
Okay. But now you're still living all by yourself.
Now I live with my parents.
Parents. Oh, okay. Okay. So thank you so much for sharing that. So Christmas is just finished, right? So do you celebrate
Yeah.
Christmas, Kwa?
Um,
Not
Nothing
really.
special. Nothing
Yeah.
special.
I understand
Yeah.
that because you are Vietnamese people. But that
Yeah.
holiday is fastly approaching, right? So next year is that holiday. So do you have any plans? Like what are you going to do in that holiday? You were gonna go out of the country?
Um, I almost back home
Ah,
and celebrate that holiday with my family.
mm. So that is
Yes,
really
and
your
yes,
routine.
at the first day of the New Year's, we go to the my grandma and my grandfather. Yes, to
That's great.
celebrate with them. And yes,
Yeah, it is as far as I observe, a Tet holiday is really one of the most special event for a Vietnamese people like you, right? So you always have the big celebration and having a gathering, okay, celebrating
yeah,
just
gathering
yeah, gathering and just be happily eating, drinking, and having some
and some
karaoke.
party as well.
Yeah, party. All right. Okay. So, but have you tried to visit to other country, Kwa? Like,
I haven't.
I see. I thought you have visit other country like Singapore. Japan.
I wish I have a chance.
All right. So if you have a chance, which is or what country do you like to visit with?
Mm, maybe Philippines.
Ah! Right, okay. You can just message me. All right. So anyways, yeah, it's a good choice. We have a lot of beaches here.
Beautiful beach and yes,
Exactly.
Iceland.
Yeah, we have a lot of beautiful beaches here. Okay, and it's not that expensive here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can visit actually um we are in Davao. So it's we are also in southern part of the Philippines.
You live in the south.
Yeah, yeah, same with
Uh,
you. Yeah, southern part.
which province? Which city?
Oh, Davao City.
Davao.
Yeah, Davao. Because
Okay.
yeah, because the capital of the Philippines is Manila. So it's in the
Yeah.
northern part, like Hanoi, right? So
Mm,
Vietnam is the capital of Hanoi.
mm.
Yeah, so yeah, so it's also in
I know some Tagalog.
really? What Tagalog
Yes.
word? Kumusta ka?
Um, Kumusta ka?
What is kumusta ka for you? What is that? It is?
It's how are you, right?
Oh, how do you know that, Kwa? Do you
Salamat.
salamat.
Salamat. Mabuti.
Mabuti. Oh,
Mabuti po.
mabuti. How do you know that? Yeah, salamat is
Actually, I have talked with some Pinoy friends before, and they
really
taught me these words.
you have a Filipino friend?
Yeah.
Where? Where are they in here in the
Just
Philippines?
yeah.
Did they mention
Just all I.
where are they?
Huh?
Where are they? In Vietnam?
Philippines?
Yeah, yeah. Or in Vietnam? Do they live in Vietnam?
No, no, they in Philippines.
Ah,
It's just all my friends.
online friends like in Facebook, in Telegram. No, no, Instagram, TikTok,
Yeah, I
IG. Ah, really? Mm. Okay, salamat is come on. It's thank
yeah,
you
thank
in
you.
ko in and then mabuti po is I'm good. I'm
I'm
fine.
good.
Yes. Oh, okay. That's
Mahal
great.
kita.
Mahal kita. Mahal kita is I love you. Mm?
You.
Ah, okay. So that's
Wapo. Wapo.
guap guapo. Oh. You know what? Your friend is a Bisaya.
What? What Bisaya?
Bisaya, yeah, because same with Vietnam. We have a lot of languages. We have
Ah.
yeah, we have Tagalog, Bisaya, any actually
Oh.
Philippines has a lot, like almost 100 something, 100
Mm.
plus languages. And when you say guapo, yes, guapo is a Bisaya language,
Do you
meaning
speak that language?
yes, yes, actually I'm a Bisaya.
Ah.
Yeah. If you live in
Opo,
Cebu,
opo.
Opo, yeah, Opo is
Opo.
yes, Opo. So if especially when you live in Cebu, are you familiar with Cebu?
Cebu City.
Yes. Have you heard that one? Have you heard the place?
I I I I am fan of beauty pageant. So
Ah.
I watch Philippines beauty pageant and I heard
Oh,
about Cebu City.
Cebu. Okay, yeah, Cebu.
Yeah.
One of the biggest city in the Philippines is Manila, which is that is like Ho Chi Minh. It's like a big city where is also big opportunities there, kwa. Manila. Next
Mm-hmm.
is Cebu, and then next is Davao, which I live here in Davao.
Davao.
Yes. Oh, so do you know Catriona Gray?
Yes, Miss
Uh,
Universe 2018.
oh, I live in the slum of Tondo, Manila.
Oh,
And the life there is very
have you met
poor.
her in person?
No, no, no.
No.
She lives in Manila. And then,
Ah,
Yeah,
yeah.
and you cannot see him like her, sorry, directly in person because she's an artist and she's a beauty queen. So there's a lot
Mhm.
of bodyguards on her. Oh, okay. So that's great. All right. So aside the Philippines, which do you like to visit with? Kwa?
Hả?
Japan.
Ano?
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 All right. So aside the Philippines, what country do you like to visit with?
I think
Japan?
Japan is a good idea, but I think it will cost money. Takes a
Yeah,
lot of money to visit.
yeah. Because you cannot
So I
visit.
would
You
so
cannot
my priority is some country in Southeast Asia.
free visa. Mhm. And you know what? Speaking of visiting country, I like to visit in Vietnam. That's before I was not teaching Vietnamese people. I always hear that. But when one of my friends have visited Vietnam and they always said that it's a very cheap, okay,
Mhm.
yeah, like the food there and then the accommodation, the hotel in Vietnam is very, very good. Meaning like it's really not expensive. So that's one of now Vietnam is really one of my bucket list. So have you visited all the tourist spots in Vietnam, Qua, or not yet? Like the
Not
Dal
yet, not
really?
yet.
The Da Nang, the Dalat, not yet.
Da Nang already.
How about in
Uh,
Sapa?
yes.
Oh, the fancy
Sapa,
pa.
Hanoi, Da
Oh.
Nang, Hội An, uh,
Mm,
Huế, Đà Lạt. Yes, I almost visit famous spot.
wow. I really
Mm,
wanted to try your famous pho, your Vietnamese noodle. Yeah,
mm.
pho and then your Vietnamese coffee. The egg coffee and the salt coffee. I want to really try that one. Yeah. Okay. So, if you are going to endorse me like or yeah, so since I like to visit Vietnam, which place would you recommend to me to visit with? Wow. So since you visited all the tourist spots, what
Ooh,
what place would you like to recommend me? Like, oh, teacher, you would visit Sapa or yeah, which
what
place?
I want to know what is your for your what you're
Ah,
interested in, like natural,
okay.
something or
I
cold
like I like
atmosphere.
to I like to taste all the food in Vietnam. So which city I would
You, you can
like
go to Ho Chi Minh
like the
City,
like street foods.
Ho Chi Minh City for
Ah,
food.
okay, Ho Chi Minh. Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
How about in Hanoi? What is the tourist spots or beautiful spots in Hanoi, Kwa?
You can visit the Hoàng Kim Lake.
Mm, it's a
It's
famous
more
there.
yes, it's like a symbol
You
of
see,
Hanoi.
okay. But they said
Mm.
that somehow Hanoi is a little bit strict than Ho Chi Minh. Is that right?
Strict.
Yeah, I mean, since I mean, the people there or the government is really not co- a com- I mean, they really have a difference in Ho Chi Minh. So since Ho Chi Minh is like an open place, right? So any person can visit. I mean, um, it's a free h- compared to Hanoi that it's more in really in the culture and tradition of Vietnam. Is that true?
You mean the people in Ho Chi Minh City? Like it is
Yeah,
more open. They are more
yeah,
open, right?
yeah. Is that
And the people
true?
in Hanoi is like more
Yeah,
traditional.
traditional and more. A little bit
Eh,
serious.
yeah, that's right.
Ah.
That's right.
And which is more expensive, in Ho Chi Minh or Hanoi, or still the same?
I think it's the same.
Ah, it's the same. Oh, okay.
Mm,
I see. All right. So, okay. So first, how about in this beautiful? Is it in Dana? This beautiful. Wait.
Đà Nẵng.
Yeah, the golden hand. Where can we see that one?
The Golden Hand is
Yeah.
in Sapa.
No, no, this one. No, no, golden hand in Vietnam. In Da Nang. This one.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
okay. Mm. That's a very famous
yeah. What what is
club.
yeah, this one. Have you visited here, Kwa?
No.
Ah, really? Is it far from your place?
Yes, it's far from my place.
Ah, but is it really good here?
Yes,
The Golden
it's
Bridge.
nice.
It's a golden bridge. So it's in Da Nang, right? Ah, it's a
Uh,
Bana
yeah.
Hills. Oh, it's so nice, especially when it is sunset.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And you have
Actually, I've been to Da Nang, but the 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 trip that I visit in Da Nang, they haven't built this bridge yet.
why in that time?
Yeah, in that time, it's very long times ago,
Ah, okay.
and yes, and they haven't had this bridge, so I haven't had the chance to visit this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How about I always hear Fansipan. Is it in Sapa?
Huh?
Fansipan. This one.
Pasipang is in Sabah.
Yeah, Fansipan. Oh, what's 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 the best here? Kwa?
Mm,
Not that
there's
it.
some if you went to if you go to like December, I think maybe have some snow.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
But there is really a snow here in Sapa or not?
Yes.
Have you experienced it?
No, I haven't.
Ah,
But
okay.
yes, but there's sometimes you will see snow in Fansipan.
Mm. Is it in the upper part, right? It's in the northern part. Sapa is in the
Mhm.
northern part of Vietnam.
Right.
Mm. And then what is the mean of transportation there? You were gonna ride an airplane or a bus or a train to get there?
Um, từ từ. I got you. A couple.
A cable car.
A cap a cable car, yeah.
Ah, is it not? Is it a
Or
little bit
you can hiking. You can hike.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because it's a little bit like it's really on the top of the mountain, right? So basically
Mhm.
there's no okay. So it's really good when you like to go to like nature when you love to go nature. Oh, it's
If you
really
love nature, you should go to the north.
if you really love nature.
Mm.
Okay, how about in Vung Tau? Like, oh, no, the most famous Halong Bay. right? Some of my students
Mm.
would really say, "Oh, teacher, you should visit Halong Bay. What is in the Halong Bay?
Mm, how long ways is I wait,
Is it
how
a
to say it?
is it a beach or what is in the Halong Bay?
Đó là một cái
It is still a tourist spot?
what?
Is it or some foreigner or yeah, there's a lot of
Yes,
foreigner people visit there.
yes.
Okay. So that is all right. So yeah. So that is really one of my bucket list. I want to really want to visit Vietnam. All right.
Yes,
So
you should. You
yes.
should come here one time.
And actually it was reported um that the tourism in Vietnam now is very increasing because there's a lot of people really visit Vietnam, especially this year, right? So it's good to hear that many tourist people love to visit Vietnam because you really have um yeah, accommodation is very cheap, not expensive. The food is not expensive. People are very good. Okay. And then yeah, and it's very a safe country. All right. So
Mm,
people,
yeah.
yeah, travelers or foreigners really feel comfortable and secured when they visit your country, Vietnam. Okay, so all right. So by the way, for our trial class, so if you are like why is that teacher Jennifer is not having a lesson? Okay, because in the trial class, we will I just want you to enhance your communication skill, especially your talking and your listening skill, right? So for our lesson or topic, so this is this one. So self introductions. So since you are in a market or in sales, right? So you are in sales department. Okay. So especially you talk with clients, you talk with customers. So first and foremost, you will gonna have your self introduction. Meaning when you say for you, Kwa, what is self introduction, Kwa? It is
This is introducing your name,
yeah, exactly.
your
So
position at work,
mhm.
and some personal information like some what's your favorite food, what's your favorite activities, and yep, I think.
Okay, thank you so much. So that's all your answers are correct. So self-introduction is first and foremost your personality. I mean yourself. Okay, from the word itself, self-introduction. So first, you will gonna okay, okay. But not just dealing with businesses, right? Not just dealing with clients or not just dealing with customers, but first and foremost, like for example, what we are doing earlier. I introduce myself to you, and after that, you introduce yourself to me. So that is that is the practices of self introduction. Okay. So in self introduction, so as you said, you were going to share your personal information and some of your hobbies, some of your favorites. Okay. So that is about self introduction. Okay. So these are some of the useful. Okay, Nat. Okay, Kwa. These are the some useful expression that we use when we introduce ourselves. Okay. So, Anyways, all right. So since our trial class is just 30 minutes, so I'm gonna say bye bye for now, Kwa. But don't worry, we will gonna just continue our class if you will gonna enroll in my class also. All right, so salamat. Come on. Thank you. All right, for having a trial class with
Okay.
teacher Jennifer. It was really my pleasure and so grateful to have a student like you. So thank you so much, Kwa, and enjoy the rest of the night. See you on next class. Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.